Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back from lunch. I hope you're back energized and all ears to listen to a very exciting track number 3. It's basically about data science for smart cities. It's going to be moderated by Dr. Sara Najem. Sara is an assistant professor of physics at AUB, and she's the associate director for the AI, data science, and computing hub that I direct. So I'm very lucky to work with her. And now the floor is yours, Sara.
Thank you, Mariette, and I'm the lucky one to be working with you. So welcome, everyone, and I hope you're still up and not tired after the lunch. I hope you had snacks, not too heavy of a meal. So we'll continue this session with Elsa, starting with Elsa, but I will tell you that there will be a change in the schedule. So we had Elsa, then Polly, then Eileen, but since there's a delay, we'll switch because Eileen is joining us remotely, so there will be a change in the schedule. So in preparing for the preamble for this track, I thought about two things. First, talk about data science in the context of urban systems and smart cities, and in actually talking about women in data science, and because we as data scientists and scientists in general owe it to an older generation of data scientists, which are our grandmothers, and I think they're the best mode of data analysis, sifting through data, keeping the relevant information and knowledge for the generations to come. And I thought I would read off a small piece of poetry for grandmothers, if I may. Can I, Mariette? In Arabic, and I'll try to convey it to our international speakers. So it's a poem by Al-Barghouti on Jaddatuna. So we owe it to a whole generation of, scientists of different forms, okay? So now, for our grandmothers, mine in particular as well. So ترى امرأة في كفها وجبينها من الشعر والتاريخ نص مرمز تتالى عليها الحاكمون كأنهم هم الخرز المنظوم والعمر مخرز يشرح ميزان القوى كل حاكم لها منذ آلاف السنين فيعجز تهد اعتبارات السياسة كلها إذ ذهبت تحت القنابل تخبز وقد وضعت حكامها في مناخل وقامت تنقي ما تشاء وتفرز وفي قولها عند الخصام فصاحة أدق من العقد الفريد وأوجز لها دولة في باحة البيت شعبها دخان وجيران وبن مركز. So I think they are the ones who laid out, the foundations of data science in our context. And I'll try to convey that once we're done, but we owe it to them. And now we switch to the actual urban science relevance. So as you know, math and data science and computer science and physics, all these have a lot to offer to our understanding of the complex phenomena that we witness, contribute to, and are affected by. And examples include, and they're not limited to, disease spread, wars, insurgencies, forced migration, emergence of patterns in response to natural and man-made hazards, infrastructure resilience and vulnerability, urbanization, traffic, mobility of goods and people. So these are all urban phenomena. And so with this picture of the world as a complex system in which people and the environment are constantly interacting, and the underlying networks of interaction being revealed, perturbed and disrupted, and given the rise of interdisciplinarity with complex networks being at the heart of it, and given the context in which AUB is embedded, the social fabric it partakes in and contributes to, the geopolitical scene, the economic challenges, the infrastructure and its failure, AUB is critically poised and existentially and inescapably bound to contribute to the understanding and disentangling of these predicaments and challenges, which gives it its unique identity as a historical hub in a network of knowledge production concerned with these fundamental questions. So this is the context in which this track is sort of grounded, and we'll start with introducing Professor Elsa Arcaute. And I have 10 minutes for a preamble, but I won't fill it up. I'll be short. So Elsa is a professor of complexity science at the Center of Advanced Spatial Analysis, University College London, and an honorary professor at Hong Kong University. She holds a master's and a PhD in theoretical physics, so the physicists in the crowd should cheer her up. Before joining UCL, she investigated processes of self-organization in ant colonies and social systems at the Complexity and Networks groups in Imperial College. For the past 10 years, her research has focused on cities and urban systems in general, such as the emergence of hierarchies, the characterization of resilience, the emergence of innovation, and modeling of coupled systems.